Fresh water is one of our most important resources. For 2021, the Don Hanson Charitable Foundation has created the Great British Water Project Resource Box to enable schools across the UK to better understand our freshwater ecosystems, the chemistry of tap water and rainwater, and how to minimise plastic pollution of our waterways. These very special resource boxes contain an amazing range of activities, experiments and competitions that are sent completely free of charge to your school. There's a cover letter from the Don Hanson Charitable Foundation explaining the project and all of the contents. There's the blind taste test, which allows you to compare the taste of filtered tap water against bottled mineral water against regular tap water. Your students can then compare and decide which one tastes the best and upload their findings to see how their results compare nationwide. It'll be really interesting to find out if different parts of the UK prefer different types of water, which might be affected by the geology or other regional differences. Over here, there's the Plastic Waste Visualisation Project. We all know that plastic bottles are bad for the world, but what does one bottle a year actually look like? Well, these eco-friendly nets will help you collect those in a week and find out what it actually looks like. And there's this accompanying plastic artwork competition with over £1,000 of prizes. It's about recycling the plastic waste that's collected through the visualization project and turning it into artwork. The more creative, the better. So hopefully that'll get your students thinking. Over here, there's the 11-in-1 water test kit. In this little box here, there's 100 test strips, which you can use to find out the chemistry of your tap water, including pH and hardness. You can then upload your findings to a UK-wide map and compare your tap water with other schools right the way around the UK. And again, it'll be really interesting to see how that varies regionally. You can take a sample of your tap water in this special BPA-free bottle and send it to us for a comprehensive water analysis. And it'll be really interesting to look at the differences in water across the UK. There's plenty of test strips in this little box, so you can use some to take part in the UK-wide rainwater survey. This survey project is intended to find out if there's any evidence of acid rain across the UK today. Over here, there's lots of activities relating to the water cycle. You can find out where your school lies on the UK's water cycle and undertake lots of interesting experiments that you can do in your classroom to better understand the water cycle, along with a beautiful full-colour poster for your classroom window. Down here is the Great British Pond Life Survey with a free net that you can use to undertake a systematic survey of your pond to enumerate how many species live in your pond, then upload your findings to a map to compare your pond to ponds at schools across the UK. We hope to see if there's regional differences in the numbers of species inhabiting different ponds. There's an essay competition which is intended to encourage your students to think really creatively with £1,000 of prizes. So hopefully this will drive creative writing skills. And last but not least, we've got documents from our wonderful partners, City to Sea and the Wildfowl and Wetlands Trust. And there's an offer to enable teachers to visit their properties free of charge. We're trying to collate all of the findings and results from these different projects by the end of July to enable a live results event on August the 11th. So undertake these different projects by the end of July and upload your findings to be part of the Great British Water Project survey. On behalf of the Don Hanson Charitable Foundation, we really hope your students will enjoy these activities, and thank you very much once again for taking part.